this tutorial we'll learn about the splitting feature in VersionOne. This feature is useful when you have a backlog item which was not fully completed by the time the sprint ended. So let's say there was a backlog item which had multiple tasks, and of those set of tasks there were few tasks which were done, but there were few tasks which could not be done. This would mean that the tasks which were not done within that backlog item needs to be rolled over to the next sprint. So VersionOne provides a very nice feature of splitting out a backlog item. By that, what happens is that the tasks which were not completed as part of the sprint can be split over to the next sprint. So therefore, it avoids any manual intervention, and it's a two-click fast process to quickly move your tasks from one sprint to the other sprint. So as an example, let's look at this backlog in VersionOne, which is HDSG encryption. So if you look at this backlog item, it has a set of several tasks. Of these tasks, if you look at the to-do column, there are few tasks which are showing 0, which means they were done. To-do is 0, they were done, but there are few tasks which have a to-do of some hours, which means they were not done. So what it means is that this backlog item will need to be split so that portions of this backlog item which were not done needs to be carried over to the next sprint. So what the person who's reviewing these backlog items can do is that he or she can navigate to the plan backlog item drop down and then select the split option. Once the split option is selected, it shows you the backlog with all the set of tasks and the number of to-do hours listed in this column. So when you click on the split option, what will happen is that all the tasks which had a to-do value greater than 0 will be listed at the below section. So if you see, these tasks have been automatically moved to sprint 7 from sprint 6, whereas the tasks which were done, which had 0 to-do hours, remained in sprint 6 in a completed status. You can finally click on apply and say OK, which completes the splitting process. So now whatever tasks were not done in this backlog will start reflecting in the next sprint under the same backlog item. So this was all about the splitting feature. Thanks.